Are you looking for a total body workout that's going to utilize your Aqua Strength barbell? Well, I got 5 exercises that you need to see coming up. Welcome back, everybody. I'm Sean Floch of Floch Fitness. If you are new to the channel, Floch Fitness is all about fitness, wellness, and longevity for the ageless athlete. So whether it's podcasts, product reviews, nutrition tips, or exercise tutorials like these, you want to hit that subscribe button down below to stay up to date on all of our latest content. This summer, I have been utilizing this Aqua Strength barbell from Hydro Revolution with all of my ageless athletes. Reason being is because there's no impact, we can work explosive strength, and we're outside in the beautiful weather, in the pool, getting a tan, getting jacked, and having fun. If you'd like to grab your own Hydro Revolution Aqua Strength barbell, I'll leave a link down in the description below. I'm gonna show you my 5 favorite exercises that I utilize with my athletes. First exercise I'm gonna show you is the kayak. With your feet about shoulder width apart, you're gonna have your hands on the bar about shoulder width apart. From here, we're gonna be bringing one arm forward, the opposite arm is gonna come up and out of the water, and you're going to rotate as you do this using your hips, shoulders, and core. Exercise number 2 is the reverse kayak. So with an underhand grip in that shoulder width apart stance, we're gonna go under and forward. This will work the opposite muscle groups. You'll still be working your core here, but this is going to be more of a push emphasis than it is a pull emphasis. What I like to think about is my front pocket rotating forward on this exercise. Exercise number 3 is the barbell rotation. For this exercise, I like to take an underhand grip with my elbows locked at 90 degrees. Shoulder width apart stance. I'm gonna rotate from side to side, aggressively rotating, and you're gonna feel this in the core as you complete this exercise. Focus here, rotating our trunk while keeping our lower body nice and stable. Exercise number 4 is cauldrons. You're gonna take your barbell and bring it into a vertical position. From here, you're gonna make a circle with one end of the barbell, and the opposite end of the barbell is gonna be going in the opposite direction. To make this more intense, you're gonna submerge the barbell even lower. You can obviously do this counterclockwise, clockwise. So there's a lot of variations that you can do for this, and make sure that you're switching hands to ensure that you're working the muscle groups equally on either side of your body. The final exercise we're gonna touch on today is the Spartan. This is one that I got in the pool and I said, man, this is a fun exercise. So for this, we're gonna go ahead and take our hand, place it in the center of the barbell. From here, you're gonna be rotating, reaching one way, then you're gonna pull, rotate your hips, switch hands in the middle, and then drive the opposite way. And as you see me do this, you can see why I call these Spartans. It's very similar to what they were doing in the 300 movie, where the Spartans kick some serious butt. In utilizing these exercises, I try to do 30 seconds work before cycling to the next exercise, and then I try to do it for 3 cycles through. That's all for today, everybody. If you liked this video or you learned something, make sure you give it a thumbs up down below. And while you're there, hit that subscribe button so you can stay up to date on all of our latest content. I'm Sean Floch of Floch Fitness. Thank you so much for watching. Have an awesome day.